Hi, we're here in Grand Egypt Museum. Yeah, nandito na kami. Kasama ko syempre ang aking husband. At napakaganda. Yung background namin, you can see the pyramid there. It's pyramid all over. Papasok na kami. Yan. Ganda ng weather. Pa-scarf pa ako. Napaka init naman. Feeling nasa England na naman. Papasok na kami. Yan yung aking asawa. Yan.
Ang daming entrance.